welcome back to Rapid Trades, and I'm back with another Bitcoin video. But before I get into this video, if you can smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for the latest market opportunities and buy-in updates. So guys, as you can see from Bitcoin, a lot has happened and nothing has happened in the past 48 hours or so. So as I mentioned many times, we're stuck in this range here and we're not gonna go anywhere if you do not break above this 98 to 99k level here. However, in the past 24 hours or so, we've seen Bitcoin dip to 93k, and this is proven significant because it comes into a 3-day EMA cloud, which has proven to be very significant in the past. So we saw here in September, of course, you got a bit of crap around this 3-day EMA cloud, which is good and bad at the same time. I guess it's organic price action, but it's price action you don't really want to be seeing. Same here, and then you had this hold here, and again a year ago you had it hold here before we saw that parabolic move. So I'm not really one for fractals. Of course, some people will say it's held, so we should do something like this now and then consolidate again and then go up again. But I don't believe history really repeats itself all the time. As you can see from the price action here, history didn't repeat itself from here to here per se. So I do believe you've got to take each opportunity one step at a time. Try not to make rash predictions, just try and look at what's in front of you. And right now I'm just going to look at what's in front of me, and what's in front of me is Bitcoin holding this 3-day EMA cloud at 93k. However, us having resistance at 99k, which we are yet to flip, and until we flip it, we're not going to go to 104k. And until we flip the range high, because we could do something like this at range high again, we get 1, 2, 3 deviations. But until we break up with strong volume, I do believe we're not going to go higher, although I do want to see Bitcoin at 120k, 150k and 180k in the next year or two. So that is what I do want to see for Bitcoin. And as I mentioned many times, MicroStrategy have picked up more Bitcoin at 97k, and I think the average right now is around $65,000 for Bitcoin. So I do believe for now we are in good hands. However, as I've mentioned many times, we've got this weekly level to look out for. So should we break below this range at 90k, we can retest this weekly level here. And I do believe retesting that weekly level will be the best thing for Bitcoin right now in one quick succession, because we'll get a lot of liquidations, and from that, if we do get this, it will be a very nice flush, and I do believe price will resume upwards from there on. It will confirm a nice bottom should we come into this 80k level, and I do feel like it will make trading a hell of a lot easier, because right now trading has been very difficult in this market at the moment with all this chop. And as you can see, altcoins are really getting butchered during this chop. You see Woo, outcome here, you've got a couple altcoins which are doing decently well, like BNB, Tau, Solana. But as for the rest of them, a lot of them are getting chopped up minus 20, 30, 40, even minus 50%. A lot of the new listings are down to the all-time lows after big exchange listings, which is not something you do want to see. So a lot of people are getting burned despite Bitcoin still holding above 90k. So I do feel like this is the best scenario in terms of just resuming upwards and everything just going up from there, and you being confident in your positions, because it's not only the leverage traders that are getting slaughtered, also the spot traders are getting butchered as well. So it's not a really nice sight to see for a market where everyone is really trying to make it. So as I mentioned guys, we're looking for this 80k level to come. If we do break below 90k, that is essentially what I do want to see. But for now, as we hold 93k, we should see us pushing to that 98, 99k resistance in the next couple of days, and we'll just see what happens there, because we can just do this for the next couple of weeks as well, which won't be ideal, but it is a possibility. We can just chop between 91 and 99k. So I do believe though March will be a better month for Bitcoin. I do believe we should see some of this chop turn into a trend, whether it's down or up. However, I do believe it will be a better month direction wise, and then we can go on from there and make clearer decisions on where the market is heading from there. So guys, if you did enjoy this video again, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And I do have some stocks I do want to discuss, so I'll make a video on those later. But in the meantime, I'm just trying to absorb what is going on here with Bitcoin. Of course, there's not too much to absorb, but there is a lot to absorb at the same time in terms of predicting where it will go next. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.